How you doing? Pat here. How was that for an intro? You could really feel that ground shake with that train going by. Welcome to my next edition of Small Town Tours, Coshocton, Ohio. My wife and I actually started the day here at the Railroad Restaurant Saloon in downtown Coshocton, Ohio. It's a great restaurant with great atmosphere and great people serving you and cooking for you. I recommend it if you're in the area.
Pretty old courthouse. I guess it's a Pebbles Library, not a courthouse.
Here we are coming down Main Street of Coshocton from the east to the west.
Rogers Block. That's pretty. Pretty building.
On July 4, 1776, when America formally declared its independence from Britain, the Native Americans in the area, known as the Delaware or Lenape, I'm assuming is how it's pronounced, but if I'm wrong, someone please correct me. Anyways, the natives tried to remain neutral, some did throughout the war, and some supported the British. Fearing that the natives would support the British in the war against the new Americas, Andrew Brodhead led a detachment of American soldiers to Coshocton in 1781. He utterly destroyed the village. Originally known as Tuscarora, they changed the name to Coshocton in 1811.
I wonder what that building is.
I would call that a church.
No, the one opposite corner that we just turned from.
That's probably the county seat or the county courthouse. That's what I was getting film of.
The community grew slowly even after the Ohio and Erie Canal reached the village. Thanks to the canal, Coshocton became a major commerce center in eastern Ohio during the 1820s and 1830s. Most businesses in town were affiliated with the canal. Coshocton only had about 625 people in 1840. The largest employer in 1880 was Houston and Hay and Sons, manufacturers of axles and springs for especially buggies and wagons. They employed 65 workers in 1887. Although I didn't get any film of it, Roscoe Village began as a separate community, but during the late 1800s, Coshocton absorbed it. Today, visitors can step back in time and envision what life was like in the mid-19th century. They can even take a ride on a replica of a canal boat. Hey, I know this is a really short video, but on the other hand, Coshocton's a really small town, so I hope you got something cool out of this. If you would, give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and here on the side are a few more videos you can watch. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.